Hello, this is my diversity book review. The first book I chose is Drawn Together. This is a really great book. It's about a young boy who dreads to visit his grandfather, and they don't share the same language, so their time together is kind of awkward and silent, and they don't really know what to do when they are around each other. They then discover a shared love of drawing, and together they find a common language through art. This book is great because it shows that meaningful relationships are possible even across communication barriers. An activity to go along with this book would be creating a mural. This activity helps explore diversity inside of the classroom. The students will be able to draw a self-portrait around themselves and write words or drawings about themselves. They can talk about their favorite color, food, favorite music, their hobbies, and things like that. This will give the students a good idea about who their classmates are and learn about each other. The next book I chose was The Pirate of Kindergarten. This was also a really great book. This is about Jenny, who is a kindergartner who loves school. The reading circle is her favorite, but it's also hard to know where to sit because there are just so many chairs everywhere. When she runs into a chair, someone always laughs. She loves to read, but her eyes play tricks on her and she reads each word twice. When vision screening day arrives, Jenny learns that she has double vision. Jenny becomes a kindergarten pirate when she wears a patch to school. Now she can read numbers, cut, and even take a seat without knocking over a single chair. This kind of shows kids about the different students with disabilities and things like that. So an activity that would go great with this would be, what do you see? You create a folder and you cut out large holes in it. And it was designed for young children working on visual discrimination. And you would put pictures or a book inside, and you have to try to figure out what isn't what you see. It's a really fun activity. The next book, or the last book I chose, was All Are Welcome. This is another great book. And it follows a group of kids in a day at their school. They come from a wide range of cultures, and they share these cultures with each other through food, when they're in the lunchroom, music, art, and their stories. This book also shows how these differences are their community's strength. Not only are different cultures and races represented, there are kids with disabilities as well as a variety of family configurations shown. So this is another great book for students. So I found a lot of activities for this book and I love all of them. I think the All About Me has to be my favorite. It's great for students to draw and write about themselves, and so they can get to know one another and where they're from and know about their family background. There are also some task cards to go along with the story, which is also great.